years, first pass. It is a pedal fest. It's going to get better as the day goes on.
Yeah, I know. I've seen you before.
I'm sure.
Online.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of places.
Every weekend if I can afford it.
Good luck today.
Thank you.
You guys recognize who this is?
it's almost to the, it's in the semis right now, working its way.
Our finals. You guys recognize him. It worked for you last time. Give me another bump. Good luck. This is the semis for the True Street. Good luck, be safe. Okay, day of racing is over. We are done. They're doing heads up. They're running until midnight tonight, but all the classes are all finished. And I gotta tell you, they put on a good show. Everything was clean. Everything was fast. They had one oil down, but they had it fixed within half an hour, and it was a good one. The guy blew a transmission line, and they had it up and running less than half an hour. That's pretty damn good. The facilities were clean. People were going around dumping trash cans. The food was great. I had one of the best corn dogs I ever had in my life. This was just really a really good, fun race. For all the cars we had, which was about 45, started at 1, and we're done at 6:45. I mean, you don't get no better than that. We got here 45 minutes before the races, and this place was standing room only and bumper to bumper coming in. So all in all, I gotta say, the reopening of Sallisaw, Outlaw Dragstrip, is, you couldn't ask for better. I mean, good crew, family, everything clean, everything took care of. They don't get no better than this.